Mazimbabweans ngizolikhuthaza lana. Cela ningavumi ngoBhekimpilo. Umzali kaBhekimpilo make thiya uBhekimpilo igama kaBhekimpilo wayemazi uyobhekana nezimo zempilo ezifana nezi. Anikwazi ukuthula ngoba namhlanje kuye kusasa ingajikibe uwe umfowenu okanye udadewenu. Mazimbabweans kwathiwa nina anisezuvota ezweni lenu. Lajika lathula. Lakhangela. Kwabuya into ethi bazotshintsha iamendment bill. Lathula lakhangela. Bajika bathi umNangagwa akasezuba upresident ozoba no5-year term, sokuyoba u7-year term. Makumele ukuthi asuke esihlalweni sebeyi-extenda sebeyosuka ngo2030. Wavela uBhekimpilo. Wamisa isidlangala. Wafuna ukuraise ama-concerns wakhe, bajika bambopho kwebhantinti la ngempela. Lakhangela lathula. Mazimbabweni akusekho khatshana kakhulu manje. Sokuseduze. Cela ningavumi ukuhoriswa. Uvelile ugovernment after kuthiwe kunemarch that is going to take place in 31st kaJuly 2026. Government waseZimbabwe wathi akho into enjalo zakwenzeka eZimbabwe. But with the fact that nikwazile nje ukuqalisa ukuvula imilomo ngento efana naleyo, ikhona into evakalayo bayazizwa izinqe zenu. Bafowethu, the fact that bakhona abantu abafana noBhekimpilo basebekhona ukuma, yazini into ba ikhona into ezayo, akusekho khatshana man. Bafowethu, ngubani owayesazi into beZimbabwe singadibana nabafowethu bame babambana izixhanti bakhombane namapolisa kanje. It means people are tired. Akusekho khatshana sokuseduze. Mazimbabweans ngiyazi nyosaba. Kodwa nyosaba kuze kube nini? Yayingenziwa lento eZimbabwe intoba abantu basekuhlaleni sebengabambana namapolisa kanje. Nize nikhumbule intoba bakhona bebehlala eSouth Africa bafunda imikhiba yokhompana namapolisa eSouth Africa. Bahambile bagodukile. Bafethu kuthiwa kunkunzi kwabulawayo. Since befikile abafikile ngathi yazi yakhala. Bafowethu yazini ukuthi aba basuka eSouth Africa bafundile into ukuthi kumiwa njani against ugovernment eSouth Africa. Basebenziseni musani ukuvuma ngoBhekimpilo bafowethu. The fact yoba sekukhona okwenzakalayo kushukumisa ugovernment the way kusenza ngakhona izinto, it means ikhona into ezolunga. Abakwazi ukutshintsha iconstitution yenu ngendlela abayitshintsha ngayo, nithule nina nibheke nibuke nje. Mazimbabweans ngizonikhuthaza. Kuthe xa ngihamba bahambayo eSouth Africa kwavala uba ugovernment weneparliament uxakeke nento oba akazani even emcimbi onokwenza nama-ARVs ukuthi uzozithatha phi for bona.
Good afternoon. Mr. Speaker, sir, my question this afternoon goes to the Honorable Minister of Health. Honorable Speaker, we are witnessing huge numbers of returning residents from South Africa who in those groups we may have citizens who are living with HIV and are in urgent need of uninterrupted treatment. I would like to find out from the government minister the concrete measures that the government has put in place to ensure their integration into our health system, particularly regarding antiretroviral supply chains, continuity of care, and coordination with regional partners. I so submit.
Dekengena plan even ama-ARVs. Bayidiscussa lonto phala. Yabona ukuthi xa kuthiwa kune-25,000 ama-South Africans azogxothwa eZimbabwe, ndathi mina ungagxotha abantu abayi-25,000. Elo lizwe lithwele abantu aba-more than 2 million. Kodwa ndathi nje the fact yoba amaZimbabweans akhona thethayo bafowethu kuyolunga. Ama-South Africans ethi hambani eSouth Africa. Asuba bewenizonda. Bewengenziswa yinzondo. Ebefuna into yoba nihambe niyophakamisa amazwe wenu. Imagine how beautiful Africa would be if ningama ngenyawo wonke lama countries lana ame ngenyawo alungisa ama countries wabo. All of us siputhe in the same efforts. Whether imarch nge-31st kaJuly 2026 iyaqhubeka, it takes place or it doesn't. But trust you me, believe you me, i-change iqala ngento ezifana ngezi. vele kuyabotshwa abantu, vele kuba khona izinto ezimasikizi, but the more besenza kanje the more abantu. So ngizothi kuni ngicela niyeke ukusaba bafowethu. Bafowethu ngicela niyeke ukusaba. MaZimbabwe sazinsizwa thina eSouth Africa uba ngaba kuyarojwa kuthiwa kune heist amaZimbabweans abakhona. Uba ngaba kuthiwa kunezamazama amaZimbabweans abakhona. Even izibhamu kuthiwa ingadlangadla zama AK47s akhona akurojwa ngawe eSouth Africa kuthiwa vele eZimbabwe. Imagine after u2030 maningavuma uba lo president uMnangagwa abe extend term yakhe ngo2030 uzobe sekebonile uzobe seke watestila ndithi amanzi. He's currently testing waters. Navuma into banyani abe ngupresident until 2030. Kulula bafowethu into ba ngo2030 ngathi ndia extend again. Uyovinjwa ngubani? The fact oba akuna opposition party eZimbabwe lathola lakhangela. Hayini bafowethu. If anizuyenzela iziqu zenu, yenzani ngani zenu. Bafowethu iZimbabwe iyahlupheka. Bafowethu iZimbabwe ayinazindlela. iZimbabwe ayinazibhedlela. Kumnandi yini kuni niyathanda yini makusuka abantu koZimbabwe beqabelana nama crocodiles berisk impilo zabo abanye beze beqhubha izisu zoba 9 months only because bafuna ukuzodata ukuzobeletha bebelethela ezibhedlela zase South Africa. Niyayithanda yini yona lonto? Uzovuma uzothi hayi but ugovernment waseZimbabwe uyasebenza jongani iborder. Iborder ibeyinani yona le. Inenzelani leyo border le nobuhle bayo. Uvoma uzothi iAirport ngubani umuntu obenefita kuleyo airport? Niyabenefita yini? MaZimbabweans musani ukuvuma ngabantu abafana noBheki. But makuqala irevolution iqala ngento ezifana nezi. So South Africans, not only are they fixing in South Africa, their intentions is spreading across the entire continent. Bafowethu, mthatheni uBheki ngoba ngomnye wabeyinu. Mthatheni ngoba uBheki ngumfowenu. Musani ukuvuma ngoBheki. Umuntu ozoboshwa bathi incite violence only because he raised a consent against the government. Musani ukuvuma ngoBheki impilo. Hlungu lando. Yazi njengoba ngimbona esekhoti ehamba efaka ama-chain bafowethu. Musani ukuvuma ngoBheki impilo. 31st kaJuly 2026 bafowethu. Kukuni into yoba niyaphakama okanye niphakame. Ububuzukuzuku even ukusenda ileta yokuyocela nje imvume yoba nibe nematch. Niyasaba. Niyosaba kuze kube nini.